Hi, I'm Jordana, Mama of Meaning at Unplug Meditation, and this is a meditation I like to call a story to your higher self. Have you ever noticed that a story is like the documentation of a character's growth into her higher self? As a hero of a story overcomes setback after setback to get something she wants, something of great value and deep, deep meaning to her, she realizes who she truly is and who she is meant to become. Wouldn't it be fun if we could write our own life stories? If we could use story to find meaning and transform into our higher self? What if we could edit our stories from boring to exciting, from bleak to inspirational, from limiting to empowering? Well, in today's meditation, we're going to do just that. So let's get cozy, sit back and close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep, delicious breath in through the nose and out through your mouth. Relaxing your face, relaxing your toes, and then just taking a moment to relax the muscles in your whole body. Taking a moment now to call in curiosity, to ask yourself, who can I become? And taking a moment to set an intention to become the hero of your story. Breathe that in and breathe that out. Today, I let go of old limiting beliefs and internal stories. Breathe that in and breathe that out. Today, I embrace new, true, and empowering stories. Breathe that in and breathe that out. I choose to give space and listen with curiosity to what the whisper, the voice, the calling is telling me. Breathe that in and breathe that out. What do I want? What do I truly want? What is the legacy I want to leave in this world? Why? What is the deeper meaning behind what is calling me? What or who is stopping me, blocking me from getting what I want? Is it an internal story I'm telling myself? Is it a person in my life who doesn't believe in me? In this moment, I determine who I am. I am love. I am courage. I am creativity. I know that when I take action, I grow. I know that when I face challenges, I grow. I know that when I overcome setbacks, I change and I grow. And I no longer fear change. I invite fear to take a seat in the back as I take control over the wheel. Today, I decide to move forward in my story. Today, I commit to creating my own story. So what small action can I take today that will move me forward in the story that I want to create for myself? What will my life look like if I don't take this action to create a new story? How will my life change for the better if I do? Now take a long, slow, deep breath in through the nose and out. And now you can open your eyes. Congratulations, you've just journeyed to your higher self.